Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the backup source, Google Drive or iCloud, and checking its date. Once done, make sure you're using the same phone number and account. You should free enough storage space and grant WhatsApp and a file manager any required permissions. Next, uninstall WhatsApp only if a valid backup exists, otherwise stop. When ready, reinstall WhatsApp and proceed to verification. This early setup prevents data mismatch and readies the app to detect the backup during restore. After reinstall, accept the restore prompt and choose the available Google Drive or iCloud backup. This re-imports deleted chats if present. If Cloud Restore isn't available, open a file manager, go to WhatsApp/databases and locate local MSG store files. These are dated snapshots. Once located, rename a chosen older MSG store to MSG store. DB. Crypt 12, then reinstall WhatsApp again to force a local restore. This method lets you test different snapshot dates, so you can recover a specific delete. When restore finishes, open WhatsApp and verify the recovered chats. Scan both individual and group threads to find the deleted messages. If you don't see them, uninstall and repeat the restore with a different dated MSG store file, or recheck Google Drive/iCloud account sync and permissions. If nothing works, request the sender export the chat, or consider a reputable third-party recovery tool, but be cautious about privacy and permissions. Remember, consistent backups are the best prevention against permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.